Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see behind me, this is the work. I published that video last Wednesday, and my subcontractor did an outstanding job helping my good neighbor receive the pavement, the concrete pavement blocks. And there's also other things happening. Is as I was going to get my control valve on my hydraulics on my backhoe, when I came back, here we go, I get a trench. So they're gonna redo the side cutter, concrete cutter, because we didn't have any, it was vanished, and they did some other place. And my good front neighbor, she had a lot of mulch. She had a mulching deliver chips, wood chips, which will be she gave me 2 bucket. So I'm gonna take 2 bucket of that mulch, wood mulching, and I'm going to put it around my tree, and also in front of my house. That was a nice looking lady jogging there. Woohoo! Now, so I'm going to do that. So I'm just gonna take that, and thanks for the God they gave us the access, and I'm gonna show it to you my my hydraulic control valve. All right, so stick around. Cheers. Yes, like some of you. Oh, I forget his name. He lives in Nova Scotia. He's got an always genius video. He guesses right. Yes, the extra hurt, very nice hurt that I have from Gaetan and Caroline project. I put it over my compost. I'm gonna mulch, mix it with the leaves, and I have a slab of grass that I have from that, and I put it right over there, so everything is square. All right, so stick around. And is it Gasper? I don't know, I thought it was Jasper. Yeah, it is Jasper. Jasper right there, look at him. You see the puppy dog down there? Ah, the puppy dog. Oui. All right, so let's see the control valve. All right, so this is the control valve which I will install on Saturday afternoon. Today we're Thursday, the 30th of May, and you can see the reinstall all with the nice dust cap. I'm gonna keep that, and also plugs. And this is the control valve which was leaking. They changed the entire seal kit inside, so I can see the open there, and they also, well, in order to change they have to remove the rod. It could be removed from there or there, so that's what they change. So first of all, what they done is they connect the hose there and there, and the hydraulic bench test it. They put the pressure on it, they move all the levers, and after that, they also changed the seal kit, and right after they benching it, and they test all the valve, and everything was fine. So that would be good. Now I cannot wait to install it on my backhoe here and test the backhoe. It's gonna be like a brand new. All right, more on my next video. Well, later on after I'm putting the mulching. All right, cheers. All right, folks. So as you just see, that's pretty neat. Putting mulching all through, and I've got kids all around, so I have to take care. By the way, as I was backing up, I almost ended up in the ditch. So, yes, catastrophe can happen really quick. So be aware of that. So I'm just gonna broom everything, and I picked up I dropped some mulching on the asphalt, so I'm gonna take care of that. So stick around. Probably, like I told you, on this video, right after that, you're gonna see me installing the control valve. Cheers! Good day, gentlemen and ladies. So today we're 1st of June. It's in the afternoon, and like you can see, like I just told you, I have my valve, my control valve. So I'm going to install it on my backhoe. Now I'm gonna try to put the camera in somewhere, but I mean, I don't need to film that. You just, like I say, this is the 4 bolts are gonna go like here, which is bolted there. If I may suggest something, is you can use like a small jack to help it, or put a piece of wood in the bottom and here and try to jack it, like many piece of wood like I have there, something like that. So that thing weighs roughly 30 to maybe 50 pounds, roughly like that. Perhaps maybe even 60, no, 50 around. I don't have a weight scale here, so anyway. So and after that, I'm gonna connect the hose. So that should be all standing. I cannot wait to try my backhoe again. So let's do that. All right. So in order to save me some, I mean, you all see me the drama fall, and and many time I filmed, I showed to you how to disconnect it. So stick around. I'm just gonna, the next part is when you're gonna connect the how I'm gonna connect the hoses, hydraulic hoses. All right, stick around. Cheers. One thing, warning before attempting when you're working on hydraulic system, protect your skin. So I'm gonna use rubber gloves, and when I'm gonna do the first test, you're gonna see me with the safety glasses, and definitely do that, because when everything is connected, it's I'm gonna take the time and to make sure I have no leaks. But it is very important that you take the time, but protect your skin is very important. You can use also hand cream protective. They're you can find them at various places where they sell. I don't know if Kentaro. Yeah, I think I see that in Kentaro, like hand protective skin. It's really helping. All right, cheers. You know what? I just realized something. When the camera is rolling, it's kind of. I have a confession, let's say. When the camera is rolling and filming me, I'm kind of nervous. I have to admit that, because I just installed it. I grabbed by basically, I'm gonna show you that. I grabbed the power right under. I put my fingers like here, and I brace myself, and there we go. I have the other hand free, and I just put the 2 screws there. Very easy. So yes, you need to train to do your push-up, but definitely when the camera is rolling, I've got to admit, I'm nervous. So it's a confession, all right? I hope you understand fully. All right, so I'm just gonna finish to bolt it, and stick around. Cheers. All right, so what I'm going to do is just one by one install the, this is the designated plastic bag that I'm going to put. So they're gonna remain clean. And I'm just gonna put it one by one. I'm just gonna put it there. So now I'm just gonna start by the under them. I'm gonna remove my back plate who keep the hoses clean down. All right, so the lower hoses, I'm just gonna remove them like this, and just put that like that. All right, so these are the lowest one, and they are in order, like 1, 2, and I have a number here to confirm it is the right one. So I'm just gonna install it really loose. So I'm gonna go like this, one by one, and I'm gonna start by lower, and then I go on the top. So don't remove the cover at once, because go one at a time. This is my trick. And also this one, of course, like this, and put the dust cover right away inside here. And I'm just going to, there we go, there we go. I just had to tighten it. All right, so I'm just gonna do that one by one. Make sure you use the correct one. So stick around. I'm just gonna shut down the camera with my non-oily finger. All right, so the importance, it's all taking or making sense. The reason why you attach the tie wrap together, and the reason you mark. So this one is number 1, and it is attached with the lower one. This one is number 2 right there, and it's attached with the one right in front. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have the last over there. So this is very important, and I hope that you are able to see what did I mean by there. So make sure you do tie wrap each pair for each in accordance with the control valve, the in and out, and do mark them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever control valve you may have. All right, so I'm gonna do the top one, but before that I need to re-put the plastic bag, because it was important for you to teach you that. Now I'm gonna adjust using my 19 millimeter, I think it's 3/4. I'm just gonna retorque all these valves, and all right, so stick around. All right, I don't know if you can see the vibration or heard. You can see the vibration, you can hear the vibration. Here is Gaeta have a small crushed stone that is flattening with his vibration machine for his patio. All right, so everything has been torqued. Try to have the two well aligned, so it's not touching each other. And same thing for the entrance and relief. Like I say, this is a constant flow hydraulic, and as soon as you move one of the lever, then the hydraulic is going where it is taught to go. All right, so like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the top, and stick around. All right, folks, so I've got everything connected. Thank you, Reg Sparkus, yes. My good friend, yes, I'm gonna keep them in a plastic bag, sealed, and I'm gonna put it protected inside of one of the small drawers there. So everything is connected, very well torqued, in accordance of my torque wrench, and my personal torque wrench. And I will, let's start the tractor and do a leak check. Like I told you, it's already been bench tested twice. They tested once for discovering where it was leaking. When the leak was fixed on that valve here, I don't know if you can see. Then they changed the seal kit, and then they restarted again. They played with all the levers. They found no leaks. They removed the covers, inspected, everything is jiggly-boo. All right, so stick around. I need to move the backhoe in order, because I remember I use my steel bar to move it left and right. So stick around. Alright, so everything is aligned, so I'm gonna connect the hoses to see the leaks. Like I told you many times, when you disconnect those hoses, it's a constant flow, so you have to make sure your engine is not working. And it is connected to a backhoe, so there's a complete loop between the tractor going to the control valve and going back. If that loop stops, you're in trouble. Alright? Stick around. Alright, everything is connected, so let's start the tractor and see if it leaks first. All right, so I'm gonna go mix my compost pit. So far it's bone dry, so it's a success, but let's see with the real work. All right, cheers. All right, so far it's been running since 5 minutes. I've got no leaks because it's a continuous loop. So let's try it. All right. So let's do a final inspection. So I'm gonna look behind here. Wow, everything is bone dry. I've got nothing leaking. I've got no connection leaks. Whoop! What was that? Oh, it's the. This is oily. It's not the. It's not coming. It's the hoses. I remember when. Just gonna double check. Yeah, it is bone dry. Let's check that one here. It's this is oily, so yeah, dry. Wow, outstanding. All right, folks, so I'm very happy. The only thing left I have to do is put the cover over it, and that will be finally the saga of the leaking control valve of my backhoe is completed. By the way, it was 250 Canadian pesos to fix. It was an hour and a half of work time, which it's $100 and $5 for each hours, plus I think it was only $20 of shop parts, and also the fitting cost me $5, all of them. Not even $5, $1. So yeah, I'm very happy. Everything is working like brand new, and so now I have to do my weekend chores, cutting the grass, because I cut it last week. Now I'm gonna cut it again because we had a couple of rains, and well, definitely fix that, take care of that with my trusty John Deere. All right, so again, thank you very kindly for all your standing support. Please do ask me questions about regarding the backhoe. For the control valve, it's much cheaper. It's not that complicated. I hope the video will help you to disconnect it, send it to the hydraulic shop specialist, and when it's not under warranty, when it's under warranty, bring it to your Mahindra dealer. Will take care of it. It could happen. I mean, I have it since 6 years. 6 years, yes, but I have only 150 hours, so it's brand new. Let's say it could be a Monday morning or a special Friday afternoon, like the valve must have been bad or something like that, but all the other control work very fine. The guy doing the bench test at the beginning said, I'm gonna test it, I will let you know if we need to change all of them, yes or no. But so far he said, no, don't worry, it's brand new. All right, so what I'm going to do is just put the cover over it, and that would be done. 4 screws, and you all see me that. So Aaron, thank you very kindly for all your standing support. Be well, take care of yourself. Life is good, remember that. All right, and yes, you can have a subcompact tractor in the city, like when I'm living. Like I have a small lot, and trust me, I have many occasions that I can use that. And definitely, and look at all my videos I have in my favorite playlist on my working with Mahindra. You're gonna see I have many hours. All right, so please take care of yourself. Remember, life is good, and thank you very kindly. All right, cheers.